Hello, everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, or good morning, depending on where you may happen to be. Delighted to be hosting this BioIT World Web Symposium on the platform approach versus study-specific software to manage life science R&D, as Joan mentioned, underwritten by iAdvantage Software, so we can offer complimentary registration for the next 90 minutes or so. We have three expert speakers who I think you're going to find very informative, and I'll introduce the first of those in just a couple of minutes. So just to set the stage here, the platform approach concept that stems from the idea that providing users with software tools to create as they choose has some disadvantages. It's been around for a while. You think of Microsoft Word and Excel, and of course those scientists still rely on those solutions extensively to collect study data, present it, create reports, and so on. But you're certainly justified in asking the question, well, why? Surely they offer flexibility and to some extent, but the process creates a lot of unnecessary work, environments for inconsistency, data inaccessibility, and various headaches in quality assurance and reporting issues. By contrast, the platform approach offers scientists some flexibility to manage many types of study and provide control over the consistency of the process, naming conventions, how data are collected and managed in a regulatory environment, which is, of course, critically important. So we hope that our three speakers today will be able to shed some light for you on the value of the platform approach, the value that it can bring to an organization, utilizing the eStudy scientific R&D platform and leveraging the content by interoperating with platforms such as SharePoint. I am delighted to welcome three superb speakers on the Web Symposium today. A little later, you'll be hearing from Diana Michelotti. I didn't get the pronunciation of her last name. I hope that's correct. We'll check that for you. Director of Marketing for iAdvantage Software. You'll also be hearing from Ronald Beaver, the Chief Science Officer for Springborn Smithers Laboratories. But first off, it's my great pleasure to introduce and say hello to Les Jordan, the Industry Technology Strategist for Life Sciences for Microsoft. Les serves essentially as the Chief Technology Officer for Microsoft's Life Sciences team, providing both architectural and technical guidance to internal product teams, partner companies, as well as Microsoft's largest pharma and health products enterprise customers. He also serves as the director of the BioIT Alliance, and we've had many opportunities to collaborate on that front, a huge standards development organization focused on driving collaboration and standards into early-stage discovery in order to enable the faster adoption of translational medicine. So, Les, we are most grateful for you being able to step in for your colleague Mike Namoli, and look forward very much to your presentation. So over to you.
Well, thank you, Kevin, and it's good to hear your voice again. We are really looking forward within Microsoft to the upcoming BioIT World, which is only, 3 or 4 weeks.
That's right, yes.
And so we're really looking forward to that event. It's one of our favorite events to go to.
Thank you.
So what we wanted to talk about today was to set the stage for the conversations that we'll be having, and the way that we wanted to approach this symposia today was to talk about a platform approach and what Microsoft brings to the table in that regard, specifically in pharma R&D. We want to also look at case studies, and then we wanted to look at a particular implementation from iAdvantage, and that takes in all of the above.